And Arvin is asking how long for the NCLEX result will be released.
Okay, so for the result on your NCLEX, for example, if you are here in the Philippines, so you will be able to have your result like 68 hours after the examination. What you can see in Pearson VUE, what you can receive is that after, I think that's after 24 hours, if I got it right. Jean, is it
Sometimes it's
24
like,
hours
yeah,
or
sometimes it's
48
like
hours?
24 or 48. So, but definitely is 48 to 62 hours. You can get the quick results. When you log into your Pearson VUE account and you see it that you can purchase it, then yeah, you can purchase the quick results.
So if you are here in the Philippines, the timing will be after 68 hours. So basically, it's almost 3 days that after you have already taken your NCLEX that you can be able to see what is the unofficial result. Unofficial result, you can see that one once you are going to purchase the Pearson VUE result. But that's really your result already. So we hope that it's a pass.
Yes,
Pass.
that will be the good news that we want for everybody to be able to do their happy dance. Because once you've got the NCLEX, you pretty much can get started. You can interview with an employer, and if you look at the Connetics USA success path that we put up at the beginning of the show, all of those steps can then fall into place. The first step is the NCLEX. So if you have not yet started, please get started, and wait until the end of the show, because we're also going to be sharing some information about the Connetics NCLEX scholarship program.